CrossFit. Sorry. CrossFit.
Yeah, CrossFit.
I like CrossFit. Can I clean a little bit here? Like,
You have to work out, man. Just wait for 4 minutes.
I'll be like careful, very careful.
Bro, please. We're working out.
Sorry.
We're working out. Just a little bit here. You can just wait for us there. We are working out.
But
Here's what you do, but I mean, we're halfway of the workout.
I like
It's really
cross.
dangerous. If he throws the ball and hit you.
On my head. Just here, like I don't.
We're just working out. If you can just please, I'm gonna take a touch, but just come
Sorry.
over here, please. This line over here. This line here, it's okay. This line here, it's not okay.
I just want.
Understood?
I just like CrossFit, guys.
Yes, it's good, but we can make.
What's happening? That's what I said. I like CrossFit as well, guys.
Oh, this throw is shit.
Oh my God. Maybe I will try something here.
Try what? Pick it up.
Try this one or.
Man, listen, this is
Nah, bro.
this thing's heavy. So
No.
yeah, you can get damaged. So
I will be fast, like.
man,
I will be like.
I'm wearing a belt.
No. You can wear. It's fine. I wearing as well a belt somewhere here. I will put it my belt.
Through the money, the pressure be calling.
Oh,
Left on my
I like CrossFit. That's what I said.
back. Tell me I'm
I'm a CrossFitter. It's my favorite from the CrossFit. What? Is it also like deadlift? Like. I like deadlift. Do you know helicopter squatting?
What is that?
Like this. Helicopter, 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 helicopter. This is my favorite helicopter squatting. Wait. I'm sorry. What I need to do, guys? What I need to do? I don't know. Oh, I'm just joking. Can I try as well like pull-up sync or? Pull-up sync. I'm sorry guys for the bothering, like.
Honestly, very good.
Thank you.
Very good.
I am Anatoly CrossFitter guy.